trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
Hello my loves, Sundown here coming at you with another video made possible by Curlsqueen. I am so in love with this water kinky curly clip-in hair extension vibe that I am going with today. Okay, look at this bonnet though. This is one of my new favorite bonnets with a drawstring. Listen, let's get into it, but first I want to show you how I am going to put these clip-ins in with little to no hair out, and this is something that I do week 2 of my silk press because my hair is super oily, and after a week my hair is ready to be washed, but I don't always want to shampoo it every week. If I want to get it the second week, this is what I do. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video with these clip-ins, because you will see these a lot. So my hair sweated out just a little bit when I was asleep, so it's a mixture of like my hair sweating out and poofing up in some sections and it being oily. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid out or twist up and get my leave out of the way, along with the very minimum amount of, like, I don't even want to call it edges, just like the little extra around the sides. Okay, so I'm just getting that out the way so I'm not putting tension there. If you don't want to be ghetto, right, like me, I think you should like braid your hair up or maybe put it in twists. I wasn't doing all of that. I just wasn't, because I don't sleep in these. Maybe if I was going to sleep in these or something, I would do it different, but I'm not. I'm putting my hair in a ponytail in the back of my head, and I know what you're probably thinking. Oh, that ponytail gonna be sticking out. No, it's not. Mind your business. And I mean, this is your business, but just keep watching because I've been doing this for a while. Okay, listen, ignore that. And again, if you don't want to do it this way, you could just go ahead and braid your hair, but put the first clip under my little ghetto bun and use a black hair tie if you want it to blend even better. But again, the ghetto way. So now I'm going ahead and I'm clipping all of these clips on. This took little to no time, but really quick. If you are putting clip-ons on and they hurt, that means that you, my dear, you have put the clip-ons wrong in the wrong spot. So make sure that you tape those clip-ins off, right? Take them out and reposition them in a spot that feels good, and don't move on until it feels good. All right, as you comb out the clip-ins, you want to make sure that you're always holding it at the base where it's clipped into your hair, and then comb it. Other than that, this is pretty self-explanatory. All I'm going to do is use a little bit of Olaplex 6 and Olaplex 7 and a smidget of water on my hands to blend this, and that is it, you guys. This is literally the most simplistic way to wear your hair after a silk press, or not necessarily after a silk press, just a really easy tension-free style to do in between. Make this a part of your monthly styles. I love it so much. It's so simplistic. Give me some comments and let me know what you think. Okay, bye.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Ride my own ride.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Start to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember,